Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to power off this device. So in this video I will show you some couple of methods to power off this device. The first one, press and hold the volume up button and the lock button. Now you can see the window for power off. If you tap on this one and slide to power off. This is the first method. Second method, just press and hold the volume down button and the power button. You can see the window for power off this device. Okay, and third method, press the volume up button, release, then press the volume down button, release, then press on the lock button. Let me show you. Volume up button, volume down button, press and hold the lock button. You can see the window for power off this device. Okay, and next method, we can power off this device using the Siri. Okay, for this, press and hold the lock button to open the Siri, then say, hey Siri, power off this device. Okay, turn on Siri. Hey Siri, power off my phone. You can see, just to confirm you want to power off this device. You can cancel it, otherwise you can power off this device using the Siri. Okay, the next method, from the settings we can shut down the device. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option general, then scroll down. At the bottom you can see the option shut down. If you tap on this one, you can see the same window for switch off this device. Okay, just tap on this one and swipe right. Now the device is powered off. To restart the device, press and hold the power button to restart this device. So simply in these 5 methods you can power off this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.